everyone, hope you are well. Welcome back to the Open City College YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to be talking all about GCSEs for adults. Before we start this video, don't forget to drop us a subscribe for future videos like this about GCSEs, A-levels, study tips, all good things like that. So yeah, don't forget to click the subscribe button. We're going to start by saying it's never too late to do a qualification or to learn something new. We're massive advocates of that and provide ways to learn flexibly through our online courses. So we massively believe that it's never too late to gain a qualification, such as GCSEs. Achieving a GCSE qualification can help improve your job prospects. For example, if you want to get into a new career and they might want you to have a base level of specific GCSEs, so for example like a C grade to get into a new job, you could kind of improve your job prospects that way later in life. You could also gain personal satisfaction by studying one such as history for a hobby, and they can even help you gain further education such as a degree. So some degrees will want you to have specific A-levels but also specific GCSEs. So if you're looking to go back to university as a mature student, achieving a GCSE qualification can really help there as well. So throughout this video we're going to be answering some frequently asked questions all about GCSEs for adults. So we're going to start with, can adults take GCSE exams? And the short answer is absolutely yes. There is no limit to take GCSE exams, so anyone can take them at any stage of life. I think last year there was a learner who took his, I think it was GCSE maths, and he was 92 years old, a really inspirational story, and just did that to kind of keep his brain working and as a bit of a hobby. But yeah, he was 92 years old when he started GCSEs, so there's definitely no age requirements when it comes to GCSE exams. In general, GCSE courses for adults are designed to be flexible, because we know in that stage of life when you're an adult, you're probably going to be having some current commitments like full-time work or being a parent, so they are designed for you to study around those current commitments at your own pace. So how do you retake GCSEs for adults? So if you didn't get a chance to sit GCSEs when you were younger, or if you missed out on the grade that you would have liked, you can retake GCSEs as adults, and the process is incredibly straightforward. You basically register yourself with a local exam centre to sit your GCSEs, and it's as simple as that. You can either just book the exam and self-teach yourself using online resources, or hiring an external tutor to help you prepare for those exams. Or some universities and colleges and online colleges such as ourselves also offer the course materials for you to study your GCSEs. So if you were to study through an online college such as ourselves, you would pay for all the course materials, and we provide you with all the study materials that you need and all the modules, etc. And also a personal tutor comes with that cost as well, and you can also add on your exams so that we would book your exams for you, which takes the stress out of finding a local centre, as we've got partner centres around the UK. But yeah, so there are several options there. You basically just need to register yourself with a local exam centre, and then you can either obviously self-teach yourself and sit those exams, or do a GCSE through someone like ourselves. So where to do GCSEs for adults? So there will be a number of providers that offer online GCSE courses or in-person GCSE courses if you want to go and do that. But we do offer a big range of GCSEs, which I will link below for you so you can go and browse all the courses we offer. But you need to kind of consider your personal factors, so how much time can you put into a course? Would you want face-to-face contact? Would you prefer to do it online from home? What's the flexibility like, the affordability, the quality, are they accredited? So you need to do a bit of research and find the perfect option for you. So how long does it take to complete a GCSE as a mature learner or an adult student? This does vary based on the course and the individual's study pace. So for example, some learners might be able to put in more hours a week. They might work part-time, so might have more time to study, but for example a full-time parent or a full-time employee might not be able to put as many study hours in, so it does vary based on certain factors, but they typically take between 6 to 12 months to learn the course materials, and then obviously the exams are sat in summer, so around the May-June time, and then results are always in August. If you have any other specific questions about GCSEs for adults, literally just drop them in the comments below. We'll check the comments regularly and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. We also have a educational specialist team, so we can put you in touch with them as well for any questions if you're interested in enrolling through us. But we're here to answer any of your questions about GCSE courses for adults. Just drop them in the comments. We really hope that this gave you a quick overview all about GCSEs for adults and that you found it useful. And yes, we hope that you have a lovely evening, and we will see you in the next video. Bye!